all collectors, it's your boy DC, yes, on another video. So this time, I'm unboxing a new brand. It's the Siku, guys. It's from Siku, and it's the KTM X Bow GT. Of course, you might have heard of this car. Actually, it's from KTM, guys. So, and it's Funskool in India, because it is imported and marketed from Funskool in India. So this is a code for the car, guys, 1436, and it's Mel plus plastic parts. Actually, the car reminds me of the Ford Indigo because of its shape. Yeah, and it's written no PVC. I don't know whether to be proud of it or I don't know. So check out my previous video which I uploaded, guys. It'll be popped up on the screen right here. It's the Hyundai i20. I really worked hard on that intro, so you better check it out. Okay, guys, and do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's just unbox this thing right now. Oh, the mini speedster is out of the box, guys, and this is how it looks at the front. Okay, so I couldn't see that much in the box, but now it's really looking good, guys. You have the KTM logo right here. It does miss the headlamps, which I kind of feel disappointed, but you get the side view mirrors. How cool is that? Yeah, the side view mirrors look really nice, guys, and this is how it looks at the side and the front. Okay, it really looks good. You get a rubber driver too. I tried pulling it out, but I couldn't get it. So yeah, he looks like Stig. Yeah, he looks like Stig. Okay, guys, so this part of the car is made of metal, and the blue color parts, the body parts, are actually plastic. So this is how it looks at the back, guys. Yeah, you have the KTM exhaust. It's literally imprinted KTM right there. Nice detail. It's really good attention to detail. You have tail lamps too, which is kind of cool. And these tires, yeah, they ain't normal Hot Wheel tires, guys. These are rubber tires, but they ain't so smooth as Hot Wheels, so disadvantage. And this is how it looks at the bottom, guys. So yeah, you have KTM X Bow and some specifications too, like the top speed and the power. That's really nice. I love the details on this, except for the headlamps. So it's really very nice, guys. This is how the interior looks. Now let's just go for the info. Here it comes. So let's know the info of the X Bow GT, guys. So starting off with the engine, there's a 2-liter Audi turbocharged engine, which was from 2008 to 2012, and then came the 2.5-liter Audi engine, which was an inline 5. That was an upgrade, guys. Going for the top speed is 231 kilometers per hour. That's 144 miles per hour. And going for the horsepower, it's 281 horsepower. Not bad if you ask me. Well, that's the end of it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you all next week, so stay tuned for my next week's video. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend and stay safe, guys. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.